Hey guys, guess what day it is? Yes!
Taste
test! Sa iba't ibang bansa ko lang ito nakikita, girl. And I finally have my hands on the new Lay's Double Crunch! Because they're now available here in the Philippines. Woohoo! I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Let's start with the overloaded nori seaweed. Shaimase! So ganito yung itsura niya.
Ooh, look at those ridges.
1, 2, and 3. Ay, wait. Curious ako kung mapupunta talaga yung taste buds ko sa Japan. Cheers!
It's savory.
It is so savory. Lasang-lasa talaga yung seaweed, girl. Para na akong hapon!
Now that is a double crunch.
Yes naman! Who doesn't love cheese? Right?
Not me. Yeah.
Kitang-kita talaga yung cheesiness. Cheers! Huwag mong bilhin to if you're not ready for that crunch overload.
My favorite part of the chip is like the ridge of each chip.
True.
It's just so fun to snack on.
I really love how cheesy it is talaga, girl. Hindi talaga siya nakakaumay. Last but definitely not the least, Smokin' Barbecue! I just love how all the flavors pop.
Parang this is my favorite flavor of chips. It's so easy to snack on talaga.
Kahit sobrang lalim ng ridges niyan, look at that! Nandun yung flavor, pero it's not too salty or not too much of the flavor. So if naghahanap kayo ng pampulutan when you're watching a movie or drinking that has intense flavor,
And double crunch.
this is for you. Yun lang guys, bye-bye! Mwah. Hee hee!